From known land to bloomland, my purple coneflower caper. Complete guide to purple coneflower, Echinacea purpurea. Hold on to your trowels, sproutlings. It's Dave the Garden Gnome here, ready to spill the dirt on the grooviest flower this side of the sundial, the purple coneflower. Now, picture me, a gnome of refined taste and even finer beard, tending to my magnificent garden. Imagine my horror when a rogue bunny mistook my prize-winning purple coneflowers for a salad bar. If only I'd known about the critter chaos control tips in this awesome YouTube video, that bunny wouldn't have known what hit him. Except maybe a well-placed carrot, but that's another story. This video, my friends, is like a banana peel power-up for your gardening game. The host, with a smile brighter than a sunflower on a sugar rush, guides you through everything from picking the perfect pot to whipping up your own soil mix. And forget memorizing complicated Latin names. Like some overachiever botanist, this video breaks it down like a time-lapse of a blooming bud. Easy, peasy, and visually stunning. Plus, there's bonus content galore, from troubleshooting tips to DIY garden decorations. That'll make your gnome neighbors green with envy. Well, maybe not literally green. That would be weird. Now, the purple coneflower itself is a superstar. Picture this, tall and proud with petals the color of a grape popsicle in summer. It practically screams fiesta to every butterfly, bee, and hummingbird in the neighborhood. They'll be buzzing around your garden like excited fireflies. And you'll be grinning like a Cheshire cat who just found a bottomless cheese well. Here's the best part. Growing this beauty is easier than hopping on a cloud. Though that would be pretty cool, too. It thrives in sunshine, sips water like a champ, and shrugs off pests like they're yesterday's newspaper. Plus, you can score free seeds from your own plant, making it the gift that keeps on giving and blooming. So, what are you waiting for, sproutlings? Ditch the screen time, grab your green thumbs, and watch this amazing YouTube video. It's packed with laughter, learning, and enough gardening to make your grandma jealous. In a good way, of course. Remember, a garden isn't just about flowers. It's about creating a little piece of paradise. And with the purple coneflower, that paradise is just a click away. Now get out there and grow something awesome. To see more of this complete guide to purple coneflower, Echinacea purpurea video, the link will be available in the description. Happy gardening!